Hi, simpliRP ERP enables you to record additional information like transporter, credit available date, e-way bill details, agent details. Go to GRN print, there is a link on the top for entering additional details. Select the date range to view list of GRN. Click on the GRN. Enter additional details like transporter, e-way bill details, agent details. Credit available date, additional notes. Click Save. When you refresh the page, you can see those details are updated already. You can prepare this report for Excel by clicking on the top link. You can copy-paste this report to Excel for further analysis. simpliRP ERP is the easiest way to manage your stores and purchase department. Thank you.